The Boy Who Loved in Secret. Hello, and welcome to our English listening podcast. Today's story is called The Boy Who Loved in Secret. It's a story about quiet love, and how sometimes we are too afraid to speak from the heart. So, get comfortable, relax, and enjoy the story. There was a boy named Tom. Tom was 17 years old. He was quiet, kind, and a little shy. Every day, he sat in the back of the classroom. He liked to read books and draw pictures. He was not popular, but he was very sweet. There was also a girl in his class. Her name was Anna. She had a bright smile and a big heart. Everyone liked Anna. She was friendly and full of energy. And Tom loved her. But he never told her. Tom looked at Anna from far away. He smiled when she smiled. He listened when she talked. But he never said a word. Tom wanted to tell her. He wanted to say, "Anna, I like you." But every time he tried, he was too scared. What if she laughs, he thought. What if she doesn't like me back? So instead of talking, he wrote letters. Love letters. But he never gave them to her. In his notebook, he wrote, "Dear Anna, I like the way you laugh. I like the way you care about people. I wish I could be your friend. But I'm afraid, you don't even see me." One day, something small happened. Anna dropped her pen. Tom picked it up and gave it to her. Their hands touched for a second. She looked at him and smiled. "Thank you," she said. Tom smiled back. He wanted to say more. But his mouth stayed quiet. That night, he wrote in his notebook again, "Today, you smiled at me." It was a small thing. But for me, it was everything. On the last day of school, Tom knew he might never see Anna again. So he made a big decision. He wrote one last letter. This time, he would give it to her. He walked to her desk. He put the letter inside her book. And he left the room. In the letter, he wrote, "Dear Anna, you never knew me. But I saw you. I liked you from far away. You made my days brighter, even if you didn't know it. I just wanted to say thank you." From The Boy Who Loved in Secret. Did Anna read the letter? Yes, she did. She smiled. And looked around the room. But Tom was already gone. She never saw him again. But she kept the letter. In a small box. For many years. Sometimes, love doesn't need big words. Sometimes, it's quiet. But it's still real. Thank you for listening to today's story, The Boy Who Loved in Secret. Did you enjoy it? What would you do if you were Tom? Would you tell someone how you feel? Learning English through stories is a beautiful way to improve. You learn words, feelings, and life, all at the same time. We'll see you in the next episode. Until then, keep learning, keep listening, and keep loving. Bye for now.